Studio Ghibli app. So if you're looking for app to use anime Ghibli filter, here is the best app I found so far, because yeah, there are a lot of apps which are literally adding this filter, but this is the best one so far. You can see it's growing through the chart. It's called AI photo generator Glitz. So here's I tried to generate with this filter, and then you can see in this app you have Ghibli Studio. So you can try it out, and then you can just have sample input, pick a photo or camera. Unfortunately, yeah, you need to pay. You have one free photo per day, and then it restores next day. So here's my creations. This is a sample input, and it's quite good. So it's creating this kind of nice filter, Ghibli filter, and it's very decent, and you can get it for free, one result for free. Yeah, so this app for me seems to be the best so far and the cheapest. And yeah, you can generate a lot of these Ghibli Studio filters. So that's the idea. And then if you want to upgrade, $8 per week or $50 yearly. So quite nice app. Yeah, try it out. It's called AI Photo Generator Glitz by Koi Apps. And there are literally like tons of other Ghibli apps released right now, but this seems to be the best one so far. I researched like 10 other apps. This seems to be good.